All right, we're gonna do a cold start here of the 1952 MGTD. Got the choke on right now. Probably could shut it off. Let me take this phone out of its mouth. Let's see, so oil pressure. I got the choke on, so alright, got the choke in now. See, will idle. Yep, there we go. This light's always on. I haven't bothered to figure out, is that the low fuel light? Probably just something to do with the tank sender. It's always on. The fuel tank has a stick to check the fuel level.